What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your favorite mentor, the one and only Forex hero. Today, guys, I'll be showing you just about how to trade VIX75. As you know that with the volatility indexes, you can be able to trade 365 days a year. That simply means you can trade every day without being stopped by breaks or weekends. The market is running continuously every day, 24/7, like literally that isn't stop. Let's dive deeper into the charts. As you can see here, I'm having the VIX75 setup, which I analyzed, and then I just want to show you guys the reasons why I'm planning to buy here and eventually take my profit around the spot here. Just use this one. This one before always remember, guys, set targets for yourselves so that you don't get to miss out on many trades, or then you have a trade that is running but then you have other trades that are still in negative. So always try to capitalize and increase your capital. I like to start from higher time frame. Obviously, you know, I like to start from daily time frame. So let's start from daily. In fact, I think it will be better for me to reanalyze this so that you guys can be able to take notes and understand the reasons why I bought them. Okay, fine. By me looking at this, you can simply see with clarity that yeah, having it and then the market push to the downside. You can see the market push to the downside, but take into account what is currently happening, where the market gave us a low. So this low is significant. You can use this, or rather what we can do, since we see that we are within this range, we have to understand that this pattern reached its 90% rule. If you can see, the break of this reached this TP. So you have chances of the market reversing. And then for me drawing this, I want to show you, what do you see here? You see a reverse head and shoulders. Okay. Let's do this. Now, you always remember with this kind of this one. So remember what really happens with synthetic indices. Patterns where you get a double bottom, a double bottom, a double top, double bottom, then you get a double top, which is an M formation, and then you get a reverse, and then shoulders, and then you get a normal head and shoulders. These are the main two types of reversing on you see. So if you see this, you can see that with this is a reversal pattern. So we expect the market to push to the upside. Get what is currently happening. And now we see to cater for this. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. This was a double top. You can see here. You can see here we had a double top. Here, double top, and also it looks more like the head and shoulder. Yeah, looking like the head and shoulder again. This patterns, it mostly repeats itself. This one was a double top. Really happening here. Okay, so tissue feather. Let's this. Here. So my right shoulder. This is my right shoulder. So I do this because I can see we're having a counter trend, and still remember that I'm still on day. So this is what I'm seeing. A break here will give us go to the upside, and you know that we will have partial profits here and here, okay, and eventually here as well. So a break here will push to the upside. So gave us 2 points left. So this is the head, and I'm going to go to 4-hour chart. Then looking at 4-hour chart, I have this pattern. You can see we are having a falling wedge and the break in here. This was a retest. A retest also in this many cases shows itself in the form of a double bottom. But you can see here we had something similar to triple bottom. So we must always look for the market break, come back, retest, give us another band entry. So you can see, let's see, you want to show something again. You will have your please look out for this type of scenarios. Let's see. Market always, once it pushes up, it will come back. Then retest or create some form of a double bottom and double top. Get what is currently happening here. We expect the market to come. You see here it came in a form of a correction. Expect the market to come around this point here. Expect the market to come around this point. One hour, our execution time frame. Here we are having a double it pushed further to the downside. So we want to see here, is it gonna continue to the upside or go to the downside? Okay. So now you can see we are pushing to the upside. This is me taking this to this because I'm having a correction here. Seeing a correction. Okay, I'll put it like this. Yes, I'm having a correction. And what I had for this happened, I had this. Because if you take this order, you can see it comes back to this point. Okay. This I want to show you this came to this point. You will test this. We push to the upside, and also if you can see we are within 78.6 and 100. And then if you take it all the way, you can see put it here, you can see we are within this range. So obviously this applies here. You can see we are still within this range. So this is how it's supposed to be, because you can see we moved on this low and went up. We want to see what is the retracement of this. So look what is coming. Still above this point. So I'm expecting the market to push in this manner. I'm expecting to push. What I'm expecting to happen, because you can see here we tested this, we pushed up and then came back to test this. Push. You see this push, and we came to test this point here. So you can look at this as a double bottom. There are only 4 hours. It's a double bottom. So I'll be going long here and then continuously push further up till I reach 654738.3546. Thank you for tuning in. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share, and make sure you click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop a video. Have a great weekend. Peace.